Hey God, you there?
What is it, my child?
I've got a problem. I keep outselling my listings to a point that the boss said,
Keep this up, Roger, and we'll have to list your home.
Mortgage repayment is due, rego is up, and the girls need new dance shoes. You need to sell, sell, sell.
So what I need, Lord, is a listing. So if you can just point me in the right direction, maybe show me a sign. Well, Lord, that's amazing. I would have settled for the worst house in a bad street, but this truly is a work of God. Welcome to 6 Trinity Crescent, Augustine Place. Okay guys, I'm a simple man with simple needs and I love buttons. And at this place you'll get plenty of them. Let's start, for instance, your blinds, button. Roller door, button. The TV, a button. There is no knobs here. Well, I don't know if salesmen go to heaven, but if we did, I'd imagine it'd be almost as good as this place right here. So if you're interested in having a look, give me a call or a text. Happy to show you through.